For the lover of health and herbs, mbochioya kama carry ogwoya. Obu this solo is to make this recipe. I want you to go and get me all these ingredients you are seeing here. Okay, you can see it. This is my cooking pot. This ingredient is capable to flush out anything concerning STD or STI or eye problem or heart congestion, even kidney stone, and a lot of them. Please pay attention as I'm about to list out this material for you. I have sliced it. This is the sliced one. Then this is the materials you can get from me. Number one is lemon. Go and get me fresh lemon. Okay. Number two is carrot. Carrot is good for eye. Then number three is bitter kola, known as uguru or abuinu. Go and get me bitter kola. Number four is lemongrass. You can see it. Lemongrass. Number five is garlic. This is a powdered one. Number six is ginger. You can see it. This is a powdered one. Number seven is turmeric. This is a powdered one. Number eight is aloe vera. Okay, I have chopped it. You can see it here. Then add it. Oh yeah, cooking pots. You can see it here. Then add water on it. We needed to boil it the maximum of 15 to 20 minutes. We cover it. Stay tuned. Our combo is ready. Okay. Ready. Drink it. Have grass tumbler. Morning in the evening. 3 times in a week. I repeat, 3 times in a week. You can serve it to your children. Water hard grass tumbler. This combo helps you to regulate your blood sugar, high cholesterol. It helps you to flush out any toxin that is on your systems. Energize your body immune system. It will make you strong and stand as a man. Please go and do this and bring back your testimony. It does a lot of work which I'm not able to start listing out here. Go and try this combo and bring your testimony. See it. You can see it. Okay. If this video is helpful for you, please share it and drop your thoughts in the comments. I am still the man Maazi-UC. Thank you.